Good morning, yogis. Welcome to the 21-day Yoga Habit Challenge. This is day 20 of the 10-minute everyday morning practice. This day is to help you feel your best. So, if you are new to this practice, you can click on the first link down below in the description box to know the day 0 video of this practice and join me for the days ahead. No props are required for this practice, and let's get started. We are going to start laying down on our bellies, and the affirmation we are working with today is one of my all-time favorite. Just get yourself into Sphinx pose first, wide open up through your heart, through your chest, and you can internally repeat, I am calm and centered. I am calm and centered. It is a great pose to do first thing in the morning after hopefully a long night's rest. One more big full deep breath here. We're gonna lower down, coming into a laying chest opener. So you can reach your left arm out to the side with the elbow bent at roughly a 90-degree angle. Just roll onto your left hip, left shoulder and left ear. So stretching into that left shoulder. Down the left arm, you can push your right hand onto the floor. Stay with some slow, steady breaths. This affirmation is used to help us set the tone for the rest of the day. I am calm and centered. And straighten your legs, will go right away to the other side. So extend your right arm, bending the elbow, roll onto your right hip, right shoulder and right ear. Left hand can keep pushing into the ground. Take one more big inhale through your nose. Exhale to release. Roll back here onto your belly and just press back, taking a variation of child's pose. So just come up onto your fingertips and press and stretch, so your hips will probably not be touching your heels. We are really just trying to get some length through the arms, through the spine. And let's find our downward facing dog. Palms shoulder width distance apart, feet are hip width distance apart. Lift your hips up and back, maybe paddle out the feet a little bit, making some gentle movements, waking up the legs. Let's start to walk your feet forward to the top of the mat. Keep your knees bent. You can just cross your left ankle behind your right one and walk your hands over to the right side of your mat as you push out into the left hip. See if you can keep your left leg straight and bend into your right leg. So this might be really intense, but it's a great way to get a boost of energy in the morning. Bring your hands back to the center. We'll just go right away to the other side. Cross your right ankle behind the left. Walk your hands to the left this time. So maybe your right leg is straight and your left knee bends as you push out into your right hip. Big inhale here. Come all the way back to the center. Now from here, bend your knees even more. Heel your feet out so that your feet are just as wide as your mat. So you want it wider than your hips. Bend into your knees until you can get your chest, your spine parallel to the floor. And your thigh is also parallel to the floor. This is different from a chair pose. This is your bear pose. You might stay here with fingertips on the floor. You can also make it harder, more challenging with your arms reaching up overhead. You are going to feel your thighs start to burn. Squeeze through your glutes, take one more full big breath and fold down and release. Bend your knees and roll all the way back up to stand, inch by inch. Rolling your shoulders down and away from your ears. Let's bring the feet back. We're gonna come into a tree pose. Lean on your left leg and bring your right foot somewhere along the inside of that leg. So maybe the toes stay down. Once you're feeling stable, hands at your heart. I am really focusing on this affirmation. I am calm and centered. As you inhale, you're going to circle your arms all the way up and exhale to trace them down to the center. 2 more like this. Inhale and exhale. Last one. Release. Let's come back into the bear pose. Widen your feet, bend the knees. Send your hips back, chest parallel to the floor. Either fingertips down or maybe the arms reach out to the sides. Or you can always extend your arms up overhead. Try to draw that lower belly in towards your lower back. Fold it down, roll all the way back up, inch by inch. We'll come into a tree pose on our second side. Bring your feet in. Lean on your right leg this time. Bring the left foot somewhere along the inside of the leg. Hands at your heart. Once you're feeling stable and in the arm circles, inhale, rising. Exhale, bringing it down, hands at your heart. Inhale, exhale. Last one. Go ahead and release, shake it out, and from here, go ahead and open up your legs wide. We're going to start in a warrior 2 stance. You can turn your left toes forward first and start to bend into your left knee as you push that knee open a little wider, reaching out long through your arms. Sink down through your hip. Now keep your legs exactly as they are. Bring your hands down to your hips and see if you can fold directly to the middle in between both the legs. You can add on. You're gonna bring your left hand to your thigh. Push into that knee. It is really a big stretch here. Go ahead and straighten that left leg. Forward fold, back. Fog the hands back. Relax your neck, relax your head. Let's walk the hands forward. Bring your palms to the hips. Push your feet into the floor. Come all the way up. We'll do that to the other side right away. So turn your right toes, pointing to the back of the mat. Squeeze it open and extend your arms. Finding some stability. We'll open up the hips even further. Hands in and lower all the way down. Stay where you are, or you can go further by using your right hand to push that knee open. Getting lower into this pose. No tension in your shoulders. Let's straighten the right leg. Turn the right foot in. Forward fold. Walk the hands back. Walk your hands forward. We're just going to toe heel your feet in. We'll lower into our squats heels, toes out. Come on down, hands at your heart. Open up through your chest, and last little opening here, focusing more on shoulders. You can extend your left hand out in a diagonal as far as they can go. Right arm up opens up to the sky. Right hand out, left arm up. Release all the way down. Let's open our legs into a straddle. Last fold. Just go all the way down. Don't worry here about how far you are. You aren't going in this pose. This is just an opportunity to stretch out to the back of the legs and into the lower back. I am calm and centered. Let's walk the hands in. Just take some windshield wiper motion. Sitting up tall any way that is comfortable. Join your hands at your hearts and really feel this intention and the affirmation land within you. Hopefully, you will remind yourself of it a few times throughout the day. I am calm and centered. Cleansing breath, inhale. Namaste. Thank you so much, yogis, for doing this 10-minute yoga practice with me. Leave me a comment down below with hashtag 21day yoga habit so that I will know that you are part of this morning routine, and I will see you again tomorrow. You are not done yet. I would love for you to click on this link down below in order to get notified for any video that I release part of this 21-day yoga habit challenge. Also, you can subscribe to my channel to connect with me for staying fit and healthy.